Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. This is my first lecture for chemistry. We are going to make chemistry easy for you people. So let's start with the first lecture, that is particles of matter. Matter is any substance that occupies space and has mass. It has three states: liquid, solid, and gas. We can distinguish them because they have different properties. Solids, they have, if we consider shape, solid has definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of the container, and gas takes the shape of container also. Solids have fixed volume, liquids have fixed volume, gas, they do not have fixed volume, they can occupy all the space provided. For example, if we talk about the gases, if somebody is cooking in the kitchen, you can smell the food, the aroma of the food, all in your house. But as you go away from the kitchen, it will becomes less. It will become less. Liquids, they have fixed volume. You can just pour it into a container. It will take its shape and will have the fixed volume. Solids, they can be compressed, they cannot be compressed as their particles are very close to each other. There is no space in between them to become more closer to each other. Liquids are difficult to compress because there are very little spaces between their particles. So if you apply pressure, they can be compressed but very little. Gases, as their particles are very far away from each other, so they can be brought easily together and easily compressed. You must have heard about the compressed gases in the cylinders, that is at high pressures. So when there is a gas leakage, or if we open up the container, you can you can feel the gases coming out at pressure. Solids, they have high density just because their particles are close to each other. Liquids have medium density. You can push your finger through the liquid because it has lesser density, but the gases, they have very low density. Solids cannot flow. Liquid can flow. You can pour liquid from one container to another. Gases also flow. That because of this property, gases can uh, gases can flow. Because of this property, gases can be passed through the pipes which come to your houses. The gas, it is from one place to another, so gas can flow through the pipes.